In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a message in a channel in Discord. Whether you're completely new to Discord or just getting started with servers and channels, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently send messages in any Discord channel on your server. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Discord guides. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Discord. You can use the Discord desktop app or go to discord.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical list of servers represented by circular icons. These are the servers you've joined. Click on the server where the channel you want to message is located. When you click on the server, the main panel will update to show the different channels inside that server. Channels are usually organized into categories, and you'll see text channels marked with a hashtag symbol. Find the specific text channel where you want to send your message and click on it. When you click the channel name, the conversation history for that channel will open in the center of your screen. Next, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a text box that says something like message, followed by the channel name. This is where you type your message. Click directly inside that text box to activate it. Once your cursor is blinking in the box, you're ready to start typing. If you don't see the text box, make sure you have permission to send messages in that channel, because some channels may be read-only, depending on your role in the server. Now, type your message into the text box. You can write anything you'd like to share with the members of that channel. Discord also allows you to use emojis, GIFs, and attachments if the server permissions allow it. If you want to mention someone specific, type the @ symbol followed by their username, and Discord will show a list of matching members you can select. You can also mention entire roles or everyone in the server if you have permission. Take a moment to review your message before sending it to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready to send the message, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you press Enter, your message will appear in the channel conversation for everyone in that channel to see. That's it. You've successfully sent a message in a Discord channel. If you need to edit your message afterward, you can hover over it, click the 3 dots, and choose Edit if that option is available. You can also delete your message the same way if needed. And that's all there is to it. Sending a message in a Discord channel is quick and easy once you know where everything is located. Open Discord, select your server, choose the correct channel, click the text box, type your message, and press Enter. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.